How to use online academic Judaic studies resources. In this video, we'll discuss the Bar Ilan Responsa project. The Bar Ilan Responsa project is a great resource, but primarily for finding and searching Jewish sources in the original Hebrew, from the Bible through modern responsa literature. So this resource includes a wide range of Hebrew texts, but it's important to note that this site is only in Hebrew and the texts on it are also only in Hebrew. The other important note is that this site requires a paid subscription, so you should check and see if your institution has access. The Bar Ilan Responsa project is an advanced search database for those who can work with texts in the original Hebrew. On the right-hand side of the page, you can select the particular works that you want to include in your search. If you select the box next to that work, it'll include the entire work. If you select the plus sign, you can choose specific texts to include or exclude within that particular category. If you don't have a Hebrew keyboard installed, you can select the keyboard icon, which will open up a Hebrew keyboard that will allow you to select the particular letters of the word or words that you want to search for. The search will open up a new tab with the particular entries listed. However, you need to be logged in order to actually open up any of those different entries. If we go back to the Search tab, you can also do a tabular search, which allows you to search for multiple words and to include search operators, like grammatical prefixes or grammatical suffixes. If you know the text that you want to find, you can go up to the Browse option, which will allow you to select the specific text that you want rather than searching for a particular keyword. Again, you must be logged in order to open up the particular text. So this resource is best for doing wide sweeping searches of rabbinic literature, Jewish legal literature, and mystical literature, but only in Hebrew.